Hi, I'm Stephen Gallagher. I'm the marketing manager here at Canford. I've got my high vis on and I've been spending a bit of time this week down in the warehouse as we prepare for BVE. Now, I know that we sell a lot of cable and I know that we keep a lot of cable in stock. And I just thought I'd bring you down here just to show you actually how much cable Canford actually has in stock. I don't know how well you can see this, but this is just 2 aisles of the warehouse. And one thing being down here has helped me appreciate is actually what over 1 million meters of cable in stock looks like. And this is it. So there you go. There's a quick look at the cable warehouse at Canford. I hope that you're coming to BVE, and if you are, we look forward to seeing you on Stand E32. See you soon. Bye.